Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, we're going to be starting off Security Week here. Now for today through next Sunday, we're going to pick a different security topic to talk about. All right? And today we're starting out with situational awareness. Excuse me. Now, situational awareness is basically knowing or keeping aware of everything that's going on around you all the time. Now, it may sound kind of daunting, but once you start training yourself to take notice of things, it becomes easier and easier. I'm trying to remember when we did it here. About 6 months ago, I guess. I did it for a Tactical Tuesday. We did teaching your children situational awareness. So that's a video you can go back and look at as well. Now I had Steve from Corsair Trainers on there, and I believe we had Bruce from Backwoods Law, and we talked about situational awareness training for kids and how to get your kids aware of their surroundings so they don't fall victim to the bad guys that are out there. Well, the same things apply to you as well. So go back, check out that video. Go over to Corsair Trainers. He did several videos on situational awareness as well. You need to be aware of what's going on around you. Now, I've also talked about it a little bit in my Prepping in Private series about being aware of what you're doing, what you're showing your neighbors when you're prepping. So, situational awareness takes in not only threats to you now, but things that could become threats later. Like if you're hauling in a bunch of food and stuff and you got a neighbor out there walking by, wow, you got a lot of stuff, and they walk on by. Well, they're not a threat right now, but guaranteed when something goes bad, they're going to remember, hey, he had a lot of food and a lot of other stuff he was in there. I know where I can go get some food. Now you have a threat. All right. So remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Be mindful of your situation awareness. And keep on adding to your preps. Water, food, medicines, skills, and anything else you're going to need to survive. Why? Well, this is why.